You think you know a place. You see it on a map, but you never truly know it until you feel its earth under your feet. Saudi Arabia is a land of extremes. It's a kingdom of sharp contrasts. It will test you. It will reward you. We start this journey where time itself seems to stand still. Imagine the first light of dawn. The air is cool. The silence is absolute. This is Alula. Giant sandstone tombs rise from the desert floor like ancient sentinels. Carved by Nabatean hands 2,000 years ago, they hold stories we can only guess at. The rock is golden. The rock is orange. The rock is deep, burning red as the sun climbs higher. This is a place of immense power. You feel small here, humbled by the scale of history. Close details in the stone show mastery of a harsh environment. They didn't just survive here, they thrived. Every line, every doorway, every inscription, these are testaments to human resilience. Now, we go deeper into the past. We slow down. We listen. Back in Alula, we move beyond the grand tombs. We walk through the narrow, winding streets of the old town. Here, mud brick houses huddle together. Their walls whisper tales of travelers, traders who passed along the incense route. For centuries, this was a vital oasis, a place of rest, commerce. You can almost hear the echoes of bartering voices, the clink of coins, the footsteps of pilgrims. The quiet here is different. It's a living quiet, filled with the presence of those who came before. The camera gets close and focuses on the details. The texture of a crumbling mud wall, a heavy wooden door with an intricate lock. Sunlight filters through tight alleyways, creating patterns of light and shadow. We learn this city was inhabited for nearly 1,000 years, a continuous thread of human life in the heart of the desert. It's a powerful reminder that survival isn't just about fighting the elements. It's about building communities, creating shelter, leaving a legacy for the future. Now, we jump back to the future. Riyadh, the capital. This is the engine room of modern Saudi Arabia. The visuals turn cool, sleek, and sharp. The tones are blues, steely grays. Drones soar over Riyadh's skyline at dusk. Kingdom Center close up with Sky Bridge. KFD sweeping twist shot. KFD tower forest detail. This is a city built on ambition. The pace is relentless. We are on the ground now, moving with a gimbal through the bustling streets. We see young Saudis, men and women, walking with purpose. They are artists, entrepreneurs, tech innovators. We visit a modern art gallery, its white walls covered in bold, challenging works. We see a packed concert hall, the crowd roaring as a DJ plays. This is a society in the midst of a massive transformation. It's a youth-driven revolution of culture and ideas, and you can feel the excitement everywhere. This isn't just about building towers. It's about building a new identity. The journey into modern Riyadh continues. We explore its new public spaces. The city is investing heavily in quality of life. We see families enjoying vast green parks. We see people jogging and cycling along dedicated paths. We visit Boulevard Riyadh City. People gather to eat, shop, and watch live performances. The atmosphere is vibrant and cosmopolitan. It's a world away from the stereotypes many people hold. This is a city embracing the future, creating a new urban experience for its citizens. It's about connection and community in a modern setting. The story of modern Saudi is also a story of knowledge. We step inside the King Abdulaziz Center for World Culture, ITHRA, in the Eastern Province. Though not in Riyadh, it represents the same spirit. It's a stunning piece of modern architecture, looking like a collection of giant, smooth pebbles. Inside, it's a hub of learning and creativity. A library, a theater, a museum, and innovation labs all under one roof. It's a symbol of the country's investment in its greatest resource, its people. This is the heart of the new Saudi Arabia, a place that honors its past while sprinting towards a bold, bright future. Enough of the cities. It's time to get your hands dirty. It's time for an adventure. Our mission takes us to the Red Sea. The water is an impossible shade of turquoise. The visuals are saturated with life and color. We gear up. We plunge beneath the surface. The world goes silent. The sound of your own breathing. Vast coral gardens stretch in every direction. This is a diver's paradise. We swim through a living kaleidoscope. Schools of clownfish dart through anemones. A majestic sea turtle glides past. A shy reef shark patrols the coral wall. Underwater cameras capture it all in stunning clarity. This ecosystem is pristine and vibrant. It's fragile. Saudi Arabia is working to protect it. Diving here isn't just an activity. It's a privilege, an experience that stays with you forever. From the depths of the sea, we travel to the heart of the desert. The Rub al-Khali, the empty quarter. Every great expedition is fueled by good food. It brings people together. It tells the story of the land. In Saudi, the centerpiece is kabsa, a mountain of fragrant spiced rice piled high on a large platter. Tender lamb, chicken, nuts, raisins. A group of friends sharing from the communal dish. More than a meal, an act of hospitality. Next, the ritual of qawa, light, cardamom-infused coffee, poured into tiny cups. To refuse is an insult. To accept is being welcomed. The local souks await. Bustling, vibrant markets, sensory overload, air thick with exotic spices, fragrant oud incense, fresh dates, vendors calling out, stalls piled with colorful textiles, intricate jewelry,